Here's a question that keeps line managers up at night. If your best person on a critical task called in sick tomorrow, could anyone else run it? For most teams, the honest answer is, I'm not sure. The cross-training and coverage planner turns that uncertainty into a plan you can act on. It starts with one clear idea. Can a person do a task alone or not yet? You record that with a simple four-step scale. In training, limited, unsupervised, operator. A person only counts toward coverage once they can work the task unsupervised, and an operator is someone who can also train others. On the coverage matrix, your people go down the side and your tasks across the top. Mark a level in each cell, and the board colors itself into a heat map. Down each column, it counts how many people can cover the task and flags the ones where only a single person can. This is what makes it a planner. On the coverage plan, you set a target for every task, how many people you want able to run it. The workbook shows the live gap, a plain status on each task, and a scoreboard, the share of tasks meeting target and exactly where you're short. Then it does the matchmaking. For every task below target, the cross-training plan names a trainer and the best person to bring up next, and spells out the step, eat os. Even the case where you have to grow a trainer first. Log each pairing in the tracker and watch the plan get done. Prefer Google Sheets? Your download includes a one-click, make a copy link to a ready-made native version. Every drop-down, formula, and color already set up. No importing, nothing to rebuild. It works just as well in Excel and in LibreOffice. And it's not just a template. 4 plain English guides walk you through setting targets, reading the plan, running the cross-training, and there's a printable plan and tracker for the wall, each written to be read, with worked examples. Best of all, you own it. No seats, no monthly fee. One structured file you keep, update, and share across your team. Find the cross-training and coverage planner at Ardent Workshop. Tools for the modern team. Own it, don't rent it.